Alright guys, here I'm going to show you how to tie a string to a stake, set elevations. So this is just a typical string line. You get them in green, pink, whatever color you want. So what we really got to do to begin is you double up the string, and then you're going to tie like a shoestring knot at the beginning. So you see it's doubled, you just go back around, and then you just pull it through. What that does is that it creates like I think it's called like a lark knot or something like that. Well, you just pull it through, now you have this loop that you could put over the stake, and it's really strong, it's not going to slip, really easy to do. And now we have the second string, or the second stake. Do the same thing, you loop it back on itself, and you just twist it, 5, 6, 7 times, and with that loop you put it right over the stake, or nail head on the stake, whatever you got, and just pull on the rope. You're going to pull on the end that's tied to the other stake towards the new one, and pull that slack. And then you tighten it down and loop it around so it doesn't slip. You got yourself a nice tight line.